top stories. Cultural troops leave Imphal to attend Notice Handloom exhibition cum cultural exchange program at Agartala. .5 magnitude quake hits Notice including Manipur. And Sanathoi's family continues to get aids from benefactors. Good evening and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is SURAJ giving you the news. Now the news in detail. Advisor of International Peace and Social Advancement IPSA Manipur Ibotombi Kuman today flag off a team of craftsmen and cultural troops of Manipur at IPSA office located at Kaisampad, who will attend a 5-day North-East Handloom exhibition cum cultural exchange program commences tomorrow at Puthiba, Agartala. President of IPSA Joy Chandra Konthauzam said such exhibition is organized to strengthen relations among Manipuris staying outside the state and to promote and conserve the rich cultural heritage of Manipur along with the indigenous art and cultural activities. He further said that the culture of a state clearly shows its identity and also identifies a community.
Mafam aduda saluraga mafam adugi phisabising amadi aikogi cultural gi troopsing unajaraga mafam aduda awat afa nungaiba wari mayam ama sara matungda makoina Manipur da laaga hairiba cultural gi oiba amadi helung gi oiba makoina tamge haiba leiragadi aikoina mafam asida laktuna free da aikoina tamanna bagi wakalonda aikoina taujabani.
A low-intensity earthquake measuring 5.2 on the Richter scale hit parts of northeast India in the afternoon today. The quake struck at around 1:15 p.m. and lasted around 15 to 20 seconds. However, no casualties have been reported so far. The magnitude of the quake was recorded at 5.0 on the Richter scale and the epicenter of the earthquake was Senapati district in Manipur. The tremor was also felt in Guwahati and its outskirts area besides Haflong and Silchar in Assam and in parts of Manipur and Nagaland. Assistance for Sanathoi, a 22-year-old girl from Wangzing and her family is still coming with former president of Icham, Rajendra Boy, donated 4 bags of rice along with monetary help to the poverty-stricken family today. In addition to it, handicapped Sanathoi's father will now receive a pension amount of Rs 1,500. Rajendra also promised to bear the expenses for the treatment of Sanathoi's sister and to construct a new house for them in the next 10 to 15 days. He also provided monetary assistance to Sanathoi so that she can start a new business. Rajendra came down there to extend help to the family after an exclusive report presented by on Tom TV. He urged the people to lend a hand to the poor family and assured he also loaded Tom TV for carrying the story on the life of the family.
Print media, electronics media, I Tom TV report I from a Laxerakanda. I Awana Imung Sigi lady film I Ubupangere. Aduna I was it, a quiggy Isano PC. Mama Hayang Maxi Moina Haibada Mahana Yango Doctor Sirimski Doctor and Hai Tomako Hai Mama Sama Hayang Sicalaga Dr. Ibungo Unaraga my host under Emito Holagani, Emito Rangasagi quick semi Katugi Makada Magi lying with Semakwe. I don't Fazana fulfill my patriba Gila lying about the Matarang Taurani. I think Amarum the Magi Babasiki Yaman White, Magi Handicapsi, Subungam Dravasi, all 50 pack of the Pibirame, Masima. I was it, Tawan Siomo, Suaris Hanazare, Adun Magisi, 75 ITP, Sita or Kandamagi Tamagi, listening with Samase, Sisimus Shoidna, Masi Haptam, Simanung, the Magisima, Fangnaba, Honagan at Mina, Kanjari, Aduga Amaromda, Magi Yumsi, Yamana shadows in Maramorga, Yumsimaga, a quick level, Dagi, or 2 bongasi 10-15 days, Manung, Yumsimagas Hazarage.
Sanathoi said that she was worried thinking about the medical treatment of her sister. She said her family is forever indebted to Tom TV and those kind-hearted people who have helped her family.
Ngasi kaka boy lakpiduna akhoi imung ge awaba ubiraga mateng pangbibaji yam nungaijai hana yumda nong yuduna leibam chabam khangdaba nong leidungsi tarakpada lambi da thabak chalingai da yumda kai warungani khallaga waba thawai waba adu myamdu kakana yumju sabirani hare babagi imai disable gi oiba toganba pencil chafangane haibire aduga nanawgi layengbasu yengbirane haisidi ayam harauje yam nungaije hana leiramba punsidagi anauba mapo ama ngasi kaka lakpiduna anauba mapo ama pokpiba chap manare na khanje.
Wangjing Tentha Kendra Development Committee handed monetary assistance of Rs 10,000 and Rs 5,000 by Thobal Youth to the family. Also, the teachers and the students of YK College provided monetary assistance of Rs 50,000 to the family. The Korkom, an active militant group in Manipur, has today announced to boycott the Manipur visit by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on April 7th and call a Manipur total shutdown on this day. In a statement issued to the press, Korkom also urged upon the public members to extend fullest support to the outfit in enforcing the strike. Meanwhile, the United People's Revolutionary Front of Manipur, UPRFM, has also called for a 12-hour Manipur total shutdown against Modi's visit to the state. The outfit informed this in a press release. Now let's take a short break.
Hello, good morning, sir. Welcome to Lamjingba Motors. How may I help you?
Lamjingba Motor na miyam da kana ba piri basing se kari no.
Khudong chava kaya ma pizari. Aikoina phanganjari ba products sing di trucks, tippers, haulage, bus, amasung genset ni. Documents ichang dana adomi sale amadi matam manghandana loan gi khudong chava pizari. HDFC Bank, Lamjingba Finance amadi Shriram Finance kasu khutsamna na junction minari. Matik charba khutsu khulai amadi crane yauraba. Aikoigi sport servicing van adongi damakta matham pungbada leijari. Bus sing yonbada natana school, college, universities, office ki dama contract basis ta lobi bagi khudong chaba su thamjari. Amadi genuine lay parts sing su phangbigani. Adongi mai pakpana aikoigi su mai pakpana.
Advanced Coaching Institute, Nagamapal, Lamabam Laikai, near Rims Road, opposite Koirenge Auto Parking. Science stream, the Council of Higher Secondary Education, Manipur Loba, Class 12 ki parikha, 3rd position, Yumnam Devjit, 9th position, Akoijam Badal Singh, 9th position, Konika Nomaitem, 10th position, Asem Koronganba, 10th position, Lystam Imoba Maitei, 15th position, Haubam Arvind Singh, Amadi, 17th position, the Sagol Sem Bikis Singh Ne. Arts stream da Aniswa position Takraba Takil Sangbam Sunaya Devi, 3rd position Yangkong Gunchenba, 4th position Texan James Singh, 5th position Moirangthem Loya Ngamba, 7th position SS Obed Kharam, 8th position Takilamam Ores Maitei. Separated boys and girls hostel.
Well, this is true. No matter where we're at and how busy we were, we may not get the time to spend a whole day together, but a time always brings us together when we are dining, especially when gathered around such divinely crafted amenities.
Welcome back after the break. Special Judge NIA Manipur has issued warrant of arrest against the self-styled chairman of the United Kuki Liberation Front UKLF, Lungkhosan Haokep, in connection with the missing arms case from 2nd Manipur Rifle Arms Court. During the charge hearing, even though none of the accused individuals against whom NIA submitted a charge sheet were produced before the court from judicial custody, the special PP of the NIA prayed for issuing warrant of arrest against self-styled chairman of UKLF, Lungkhosan Haokep, who is still absconding, and to list him as an accused in the supplementary charge sheet submitted by the NIA before the court on January 28. along with the name of Saikul MLA Yamthong Hokkep. KRA Chairman David Hang Singh and Thokchom Diamond, driver of the Saikul MLA, after hearing the submission of the special PP NIA, the court issued necessary warrant of arrest against Lungkosan Hokkep and fixed April 20th for the execution of the warrant. Police continued massive search operation in Imphal, where Prime Minister will embark on a one-day visit on April 7 to campaign for BJP candidates. Prior to Modi's visit, National BJP President Amit Shah is likely to arrive in the Manipur capital tomorrow. Adequate security measures have been put in place ahead of the two leaders' visit to the state. Under the supervision of the Imphal West Superintendent of Police, K. Meghachandra, a commando team led by Deputy SP Operations, Rosit Irom, carried out search operations at Kwakathel Haino Khongnembi, Lamdong and Kwakathel Thokchomlekai, where around 450 individuals were subjected to thorough verification. However, no one was arrested. In the meantime, Imphal West Commando conducted combing operation at Wahingbamlekai, Nambol River Bank near Pauna Bazaar, Jiri Parking and Maharani Thong in Imphal City this morning. 447 people were verified and 18 were detained for further verification. Imphal East Commando also conducted house-to-house search operation led by R.K. Charles, Deputy Superintendent of Police Operations Imphal East, under the supervision of T.H. Krishnatombi, Additional SP Operations, from 6 a.m. to 7:10 at the areas covering eastern and southern flanks of Hapta Kangjibung and western part of Govindaji Temple. About 98 households, rooms including rented ones, were searched and 270 residence occupants were verified. The high-rise buildings overseeing the Hapta Kangjibung ground in this said area were also surveyed during the operation. No one was picked up. Meanwhile, police carried out operation at Pauna Bazaar, Ibohol Cycle area, Diamond Gully and International Market areas from 4 p.m. till 4:45 p.m. Around 132 persons were verified during the operation, out of which 8 persons who failed to bring out ID proof were detained and handed over to City Police Station for further verification. The United Tribal Liberation Army UTLA today expressed unhappiness over the centre and Manipur government over delaying in fulfilling demands raised by the outfit. UTLA Chairman S.K. Thadau, in a press statement, appealed that the two governments implement their assurances before the Lok Sabha polls take place. In a recent Memorandum of Understanding MOU signed among the outfit, the centre and the Manipur government, payment of Rs 1.5 lakh to UTLA cadres as one-time rehabilitation was agreed upon, besides development of a model village and providing government jobs to all cadres. Northeast India Development Party NEIDP has assured to extend help in the efforts to get justice in the custodial death of SM Manjur, a Manipur police constable. He died during police interrogation in connection with the escape made by Chief of Kangleipa Communist Party KCP faction and under trial prisoner Thokchom Nando from Ortho Ward of Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Science, Jennings, on March 25th. NEIDP nominee for inner seat in the upcoming Lok Sabha polls, R.K. Anand, attended the funeral ceremony of SM Manjur at Yaripok, Ningthonai. Talking to reporters, Anand expressed anguish over the untimely death of SM Manjur after being tortured by police during interrogation, violating human rights. He called custodial death as heinous crime and assured that NEIDP will do its best to seek justice in the killing. The former MLA of Nauria constituency opined that the incident should be investigated by an independent body. It may be noted that Chief Minister and Biren Singh has assured the SM Manjur JAC that the CBI will be robbed in the prop the death of SM Manjur.
Any form of, any report have that custodial deaths and Tanti act named Lowy. See what from some of the seriously full to work with the Amai of the name. A two month under inquiry report of Viva in a Taza, top top CBI ko agency ki ba intervene to be wafam sai pe tai do mas da koina pamjari se mara lei bidi lei hai ba se putok piraga atul matam justice to chungane
NEIDP Central Working Committee CWC member Dr. Dhanabir Laishram, advisor W. Khalinda, General Secretary Y. Brojendro, and Manipur NEIDP Vice Presidents Y. Navachandra and N. Diten attended the funeral ceremony. An enforcement team of Thobal Excise Department seized huge quantity of illegal local wine from different parts of the district during the ongoing drive launch in connection with the upcoming Lok Sabha polls in Manipur. The Zeliangrong United Front ZUF has warned the UNC and NSCNIM to immediately stop their alleged illicit activities on the pretext of election campaign, particularly in Zeliangrong inhabited areas. We would like to remind them that ZUF was formed with the objective to protect the rights, lands and heritage of the Zeliangrong community, and as such, the outfit will fight tooth and nail against such anti-people activities, a statement said. The statement signed by Home Secretary ZUF James Kamai further alleged that the UNC and NSCNIM are intimidating and kidnapping voters and tribe leaders to make them sign papers in favor of a heel-based political party. Assam Rifles and Second World War Imphal Campaign Foundation Manipur Tourism Forum organized the 75th anniversary commemoration program for Battle of Kameng of Second World War at Napetpalli Football Ground, Lamlai today. The program was attended by SM Commander 9 Sector Assam Rifles, Brigadier Amit Kabthial, Second World War veteran Nigam Tangkhul, General Secretary of ESM, and Lieutenant Colonel retired LM Singh, co-founder of Second World War Imphal Campaign Foundation Arambam Angamba Singh said that the program was held in honor of the fallen martyrs who died in Kalikaching, Napetpalli on 3rd April 1994. A memorial flag was hosted on top of Kalika Hills to mark the occasion. Assam Rifles expressed its willingness to build a war memorial at the site.
1944, yam chawba, yamna important battle lama sonagi maji uju kan uriban oida lai ba chingdum ji mataksida matam du Japanese ki mi 98 kuma sibagi report su lai matam du da aduga yam nangna lai ba khoi kangla sangum sangi airfield ji target torpani aduga matam du yam desperate oira battle ngatani Japanese ki lochalam dai matam hai tare aduga sidaler mi duna Dogra regiment 20th Indian division ge adu maduni to koi ngasi matu landu da lagi da mayam Japanese boy ro koi Punjab Singh boy ro aduga British boy ro Indian boy ro mayam punam mak koi na honor to bugi da mak highway program sinjabane.
A person was arrested along illegal foreign liquor worth rupees 80,000 during a drive conducted by Bistupur District Police. 43 cases of liquor were seized from Salam Santosh, aged 55, son of late Rotomani from Khomdram, Selungbalikai. Chanura Microfinance Manipur celebrated its 12th Foundation Day under the theme Better Economy for a Better Nation at Lamyanba Sanglen Palace compound today. Former Chairperson of Manipur State Commission for Women Dr. C.H. Jamini, Chairperson of Chanura Microfinance Manipur N. Harimati, retired General Manager of Manipur Rural Bank, P.K. Khuman, founder of Chanura Microfinance Manipur, G. Ramkumar Sharma, Manager of SI DBI Imphal Branch, Priyabrata Gurumem were the main guests at the event. Chanura Microfinance Manipur, which was established to empower mainly the poor women and low-income households to make them economically self-reliant by providing financial services in a sustainable manner. The bank has so far given financial benefits to around 2,500 families. Speaking to media persons, CEO of Chanura Microfinance Manipur, P.K. Khuman, who is also the founder secretary, said that Chanura Microfinance has a target to train at least 3,000 women for entrepreneurship.
Entrepreneurship ki micro enterprise puthokta yade haiba pandamda aikoina sinjariba training sina hojik akoi tangkhai henjala aduga makoi training loigraba mioi singda akoi gi senthang hoje hoje akoi na picture bisidagi mathak sida akoi imaibel singda lupa lakh ama phawbugi senthang hoje ke hairiba akhanaba train tawraba imaibel singduda lamdam sidagi micro enterprise masing hengal hanba aduga makoina employment generation tawraga lamdam sigi tangdu laitaba sel thungi ahongba poraknabagi damakta akoi gi angamba honajari haidna ina mayamda thamjari.
All Manipur Working Journalists Union's Charitable Trust Paumi Welfare Foundation PWF has contributed medical financial assistance to 10 beneficiaries amounting to rupees 10,50,000. Chairperson of Paumi Welfare Foundation Wang Khemcha Samjai handed over the financial assistance to each of the beneficiaries at a simple distribution function held at the Manipur Press Club today. The distribution of the financial assistance was carried out following recommendations of the high-powered medical board of the foundation, comprising representatives from 3 reputed hospitals. This is the last round of dispersing medical financial assistance for the year 2018-2019 to eligible beneficiaries. C.H. Bilanta Singh, sub-editor of Naharol Thaudang, who underway a prosthetic hyperplasia surgery, was awarded an assistance of rupees 20,000. Set amount was presented to Bilanta in the form of a check. Yensembam Samarjit, sports reporter of Ichel Express, received an assistance amount of rupees 30,000 against his father. Y. Ranjit's hemodialysis treatment, newsreader of ISTB, Ranjana Elangbam, received a medical aid of rupees 30,000 towards the management of her son's autism spectrum disorder. Reporter of ISTV Oinam Ibo Choba received rupees 20,000 against his wife's battery of test and treatment for typhoid. Reporter of Sanalebag Khangembam Sankar received an assistance of rupees 25,000 against his wife's treatment for first-degree prolapse with cholestasis. Sub-editor of Naharol Githaudang Thongam Rupa received rupees 20,000 against treatment for his TIA focal seizure. Yumlembam Okendrazit, reporter DY365, who suffered a collarbone fracture in a road accident, was given rupees 25,000. Correspondent of UN Lanpal, Naurem Gyanan, who underwent a cholestasis surgery, was awarded rupees 20,000. ISTB reporter Indraraj Kuman, whose mother is a cancer patient, received the highest assistance with an amount of rupees 50,000. Assistant news editor of Pognapam Imochai Langbam, who recently suffered a head injury, was given an assistance of rupees 15,000. Out of the 11 applicants received by PWF, 1 application for financial assistance against a cesarean surgery was turned down by the medical board, citing such surgeries are outside the purview of ailment covered by this scheme due to scarcity of funds. Let's take a short break once again.
lamjingbanidi limited ki members singda akaknaba matam khara khakki oina khudongchaba sing pizari khudongchaba sing adudi saving account hangbada chada lupa taruki interest pizagani fixed deposit amadi recurring deposit ki oina chada lupa taragani thoi makhai interest pizagani daily deposit ki oina su chada lupa taragani thoi makhai interest pizagani karigumba members singna business loan personal loan natraga mortgage loan lobiragadi sada lupa taragani pandagi lupa kungi apik pasendoi haibadi reducing rate ta loan lobiba yagani akaknaba matam khara khakki oiba khudongchaba sing asi lobiranaba member singda ningsingjari masiga loina loina na kanagumba member oidriba singna member oibinaba ekhoigi office ta lengsin birau amadi akupa marol sing tanabiu ekhoigi address lamjingbanidi limited near Nityananda Mandir Nagamapal Rims Road Imphal West mobile 9366857001 email lamjingbanidi@gmail.com website www.lamjingbanidilimited.com lamjingba jewelry na adomgi dama khwaidagi asengba sana khwaidagi ahongba sana asamalda fanghanjari ekhoigi service singdi inat ki oiba design sing ready made ta fanghanjari singnaningai oidraba asengba sana khaktamak pizari manung matam sana order delivery sing pizari sana asamal khwaidagi nemna logzari nomaizing numitsu adomgi service ta leizari ngasimak lengsin birau lamjingba jewelry private limited DM College Road opposite Memsi Mall Thangmaiban Imphal West email lamjingbajewelry@gmail.com website www.lamjingbagoldbank.com contact us at 764293445 and 940-299-2391. Lamjingba Jewelry. Good quality is our priority.
Nupa khaktabu sagai lepkani haiduna chakthokchani hinglebasingse mama amana pokpani mama do nupi ne habase karmal
nipa poksunati ipa numanga tawdana ari amada senting na bathabu adugi mohotane lai da kabu kuduma katlaga lushirga lo
aibu nangi angang longnaba thamba miro sene bangamdragana nupi ni kai dodoino khongbandra kaino hundok chu kaino nangna na cha nupa am yawusinate do nangi nupi ma thirage dana leppe
piba amadi poktaba yadabane tawnariba mayam chi khangedana
yengo nang ngasi mak yumji thado sakadamni bojo ba ngasi ne mai ka du solon chalo mase mahi laina longnar kani
macha masugi ningba thunga loidoi oiradi pedo bokpiramino thado yadro
sagi sarang manungda imana kayawan nang puduna chelaki imagi bema na matik saba mi mati oidaba yadaba
nang tamo khaktani
nusidiye
Pai, nang ngasi digi ai amona uni di khallu.
Kadai satoi ba?
Pakistan salaga sosai bomber oiga sirage kaino idi. Nang pelo duda. Nang honari da. Han balai tana dum honaga da bane. Kidoroge.
Nang yausiki wahaido. Karino khangdana thamoi da pale. ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯔꯝꯗꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯏꯪꯆꯠ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯕꯤ ꯕꯣꯝꯕꯦꯂꯥ ꯆꯅꯨ ꯃꯦꯔꯤ ꯀꯣꯝ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯅꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯃꯨꯡꯗꯒ ꯄꯣꯛꯂꯝꯂꯗꯤ ꯁꯣꯏꯗꯅ ꯍꯥꯠꯄꯤꯔꯝꯒꯅꯤ.
Welcome back. The Chief Electoral Officer of Assam, Mukesh Chandra Sahu, has flagged off Kamakhya Gandhidham express train decorated with the message from Election Commission of India (ECI) urging people to participate in the upcoming Lok Sabha elections 2019 at Kamakhya station. The train will carry the message of systematic voters education and electoral participation (SVEEP) throughout its journey till the completion of the poll. Media, social media, tabloids, NGOs, radio partners, icons as well as SVEEP teams across the state are in the field to engage more voters. It may be mentioned that Kamakhya Express to Okha will be flag off on April 8, 2019 at Guwahati railway station to strengthen the SVEEP activity. An apex body of major civil societies and student associations in Mizoram, which had earlier sought to boycott the Lok Sabha election, reversed its decision today following an internal meeting of the organization's top hierarchy. Election to the state's lone Lok Sabha seat and by-election to Aizawl West 1 Assembly constituency will be held simultaneously on April 11. The NGO Coordination Committee had called for an indefinite strike from April 8 in protest against the decision of the Election Commission (EC) to set up exclusive polling booths at Kanmun village on the Mizoram-Tripura border for the Bru voters lodged in 6 relief camps of Tripura. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has today warned voters of the BJP sinister design and claimed the Citizenship Amendment Bill is another ploy to turn legal citizens of this country into refugees. If Prime Minister Narendra Modi is returned to power, he will throw away the constitution and change the country from a democracy to totalitarian regime, she added at a rally in Kuch Bihar. Meanwhile, Union Minister Smriti Irani today hit out at Congress Chief Rahul Gandhi, accusing him of betraying the people of Amethi by choosing to file his nomination from Kerala's Wayanad. Irani, speaking from Gandhi's turf Amethi, said the Congress ignored Amethi's development and it was the BJP which had taken up the issues plaguing the people. 4 BSF Jawans were killed and 2 others injured in an encounter with Naxalites in Chhattisgarh today afternoon in the insurgency-hit Sukma district in Chhattisgarh. The encounter took place at Kanker district. The Australian man accused of killing 50 Muslim worshippers in gun attack on 2 mosques in Christchurch will face 50 murder charges and 39 attempted murder charges when he appears in court tomorrow. Brenton Tarrant, 28, a suspected white supremacist was previously charged with only one murder following the attack and has been remanded without a plea. The gunman broadcast his attack live on Facebook. Prime Minister Jacinda Ardern described the massacre, the worst mass shooting by a lone gunman in New Zealand, as a terrorist attack, and some legal experts thought it could result in charges under New Zealand's terrorism law. Now let's have the top stories of today's newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express flag hosting ceremony of R.K. Ranjan held. Congress will not return for next 40 years, says Chief Minister. Right to secede bill if CAB pass, says Prism. Apex body formed to look after issues of Northeast. Congress manifesto promises to amend AFSFA. The People's Chronicle. Congress poll promised to amend AFSFA worries. PM Amit. Northeast Forum to fight common issues. BJP prepares for Modi-Amit visit. MPCM boycotts Prime Minister. No regrets if removed for anti-CAB stand, says Jayanta Kumar. The Morning Bell. Northeast Forum for Indigenous People formed to fight issues confronting Northeast. Congress U-turn on AFSFA smirks of deceit, says Chief Minister Viren. NPF criticizes major national political parties for failing to serve the public. People for Animal rescues a barking deer. Impal Free Press. CM Secretary lodges complaint against Joy Kishan for violation of Code of Conduct. R.K. Ranjan vows to land link Manipur with major ASEAN countries. CPI Thoubal Council to support NPP candidate. CM asks public to ponder claims of reviewing AFSFA by Congress Party. BJP will return to power once again, says Chief Minister. JSC to claim body of SM Manjur. Manipur Mail. Hunt for escaped militant leader on, says Chief Minister. New e-newsletter release. Mizoram body talks tough on CAB. Rhythms of Manipur team back from Jaipur.
Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top stories once again. Cultural troops leave Imphal to attend Northeast Handloom Exhibition cum Cultural Exchange Program at Agartala. .5 magnitude quake hits Northeast, including Manipur. And Sanathoi's family continues to get aids from benefactors. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.